Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on iPad. First, download the application from the App Store. Ensure your iPad has an M1 chip or newer for optimal performance. Familiarize yourself with the touch-friendly interface, which is specifically designed for mobile editing. This powerful tool brings professional-grade video editing right to your fingertips, allowing you to create stunning projects anywhere. Get ready to transform your video workflow. Once DaVinci Resolve is installed, you'll want to import your media. You can bring in clips directly from your iPad's photo library or connect external storage devices. Use the media pool to keep everything organized. Create dedicated bins for video, audio, and graphics, and even smart bins to automatically sort your assets. This structured approach will save you valuable time during the editing process, making your workflow much smoother. Now, let's dive into editing. The cut page is perfect for quickly assembling your footage and making initial trims. For more detailed work, switch to the edit page, where you have precise control over every clip on your timeline. Experiment with various transitions, add engaging effects, and incorporate professional titles to elevate your video's storytelling. These tools empower you to craft compelling narratives with ease. Finally, refine your visuals with color grading. The color page offers powerful tools to adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation, giving your footage a polished, cinematic look. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to export. DaVinci Resolve on iPad allows you to render your project in multiple formats and resolutions, including stunning 4K, ready for sharing with the world. Your creative vision is now ready for prime time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.